Listen, let's.
It's our first morning waking up in Brazil.
And this morning we are going on a helicopter ride. I can't remember where it goes over.
I know we're going over
Sugarloaf Mountain.
And there's like a monument, like a statue or something here, which is like really famous. I know it goes over that.
But there's a 15-minute one, isn't there, or half hour? I think we're going to go and do the half-hour one. It's just me, Liz, Mum, and then
my uncle. And
brother Bren. So.
Yeah. I'm so excited about it. I know it's going to be I know you're nervous because you don't like... We've just literally just been on like an 11, 12-hour flight.
I thought that was it for like 10 days.
And now we're going on a helicopter, but we've never like been on one before, so I think it's really good.
Yeah.
Nan's been on one, but we haven't, so it's going to be a great experience.
Can't wait. Just about to get on the helicopter.
Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life, it hits the spot. Walking on fantasy. So take me, baby.
We're in the helicopter. We're all going together now. Liz. Oh, there's Liz. Liz is up front.
The water's always high. I think we're getting close. Racing through the waves, I want to be where nobody knows. Take me, baby, take me to a state of mind.
Make it back safely.
So good.
Oh my god, that was amazing, Liz, wasn't it?
That was so good.
The views were unbelievable.
Do you know, I think it was even better because I was at the front. Like, so I had the best view.
Yeah, you had the whole clear windscreen.
She went on it.
Yeah, first time flying for Sophia.
So we are just walking down to go on a 3-hour boat trip. It's like a kind of like a tour. We don't really know what's happening because
I think it stops at other beaches. Bren said they're all behind. You can see them.
Yeah, because they were like talking in Portuguese and we didn't know.
We're all on the boat. Busy, isn't it?
It's like a party boat.
Yeah.
Like music and there's a bar on it.
At 9 AM. after popping off to the beach for a bit, and we just ordered a cocktail.
First alcoholic drink of the morning!
Já pode ir voltando.
Go, Brent! Yeah, go, Brent!
Cuidado aí, porque pra sempre é muito tempo, hein?